Hey everyone, okay, so today is a slightly different video. So what I want to do with this channel is to start to think about helping other people if I can. So what I would like to do is open up my channel. Because YouTube and Instagram are such oversaturated markets, particularly in the beauty realm, everybody is uploading content that no matter how wonderfully talented you are and incredible you are, it can often get missed because it's so oversaturated. So I would like to feature you on this channel. So what I would like to do is hopefully give you a better platform, or at least a kickstart. And it doesn't really matter if you have 1 follower or 1 million followers. All that I care about is that you're passionate about what you do and you're a good person. That is it. So I'm going to upload content of other people and post it on this channel so that you can see their amazing content. And it also gives you, the viewer, the opportunity to subscribe and follow other people, because you don't just want to watch me all day, every day. It can get very boring. I know, I make the videos. So it helps to see other content and other creators, whether they are makeup brands, just people who are passionate about makeup artists, nails, whatever, hair, doesn't matter, just that you're passionate. And I want to help you, if I can, to boost your followers and subscriber rate and get you noticed a little bit better, hopefully, than you are right now. And that is what I'd like to do. I'd like to pay it forward as best I can by uploading content. Now, before people start to think, you know, are you going to do this every single day? No, I'm not. But I'd like to feature people's videos, hopefully once a week or so, to really just showcase the incredible talent that other people have. And it doesn't hurt to share. When you have a large platform, what use is it if all you do is keep it for yourself? So I'd like to open it up and share it with people. So leave comments below if you think your channel deserves a mention, or if you would like to be mentioned in this in upcoming videos, or if you know somebody else that will be. I'll be posting a similar thing on Instagram as well. So just leave your comments and I will look through them. So there you go. That is today's video. And then you'll have review and tutorials coming very, very soon. Well, you know, from me. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. See you all soon. Bye-bye.